Hello everyone, welcome to Best Solutions English classes. This is Pratibha Anand, your English teacher. In this video, I am going to explain the poem After the Storm. It is written by William Wordsworth. So, firstly, we will know about the author. William Wordsworth is known as nature's poet. William Wordsworth loved nature and has written many poems describing the beauty and bounty of nature. Here he describes one of the nature's moods, the joy felt by birds and animals the morning after a stormy night. Poem After the Storm describes the morning after a severe storm. Now I am going to explain the poem line by line. There was a roaring in the wind all night, the rain came heavily and fell in floods. But now the sun is rising, calm and bright, the birds are singing in the distant woods. Means last night there was a storm. And which kind of a storm? There was a roaring, or you can say thundering storm, means the wind was blowing with loud sound. And after that storm, the rain came heavily, and earth is filled with water. And it seems like flood is everywhere. But now the sun is rising, means, but after that stormy night, the next day is very calm and bright, means sun rose very calm and bright, and everything is looking shiny in the presence of sun, and the birds are singing in the dense forest. Dense woods means dense forest. Now see the next line. Over his own sweet voice the stork dove broods, the jay makes answer as the magpie chatters, and all the air is filled with pleasant noise of waters. Here I just want to mention one thing, that these are the birds name, different kinds of birds name, stork, dove, jay and magpie. These are the names of birds. So with her sweet song, with her sweet voice, the stork dove sat on its eggs to hatch them in the bright daylight. And another kind of bird, jay and magpie, talks with each other, and it seems such as jaybird is answering to magpie, and the air is blowing with pleasant sound, you can say, or you can say in sweet voice of waters. Of waters means different water bodies such as rivers, lakes and streams, because they all are filled with water. So the air is filled with that pleasant sound of water. Now see the second stanza. All things that love the sun are out of doors. The sky rejoices in the morning's birth. The grass is bright with raindrops on the moors. The hare is running races in her mirth. Means all things, all the creatures, and you can say all nature things that love the daytime, means the presence of the sun, they are out of the doors, means they are doing their activities happily. The sky is happy on a new birth of the morning, means you can say a new birth of a new day. And the grass is bright with raindrops on the moors. Moors means wild open area that is covered with grass. So the grass is bright with raindrops because the raindrops are still present on those grass. So just because of that, the grass is looking very bright. The hare is running races in her mirth, means the hare is running in her happiness, in her now joy. See the next line. And with her feet she from the plashy earth raises a mist that glittering in the sun runs with her all the way wherever she doth run. Means when here is running from here to there in her happiness, so at that time the hare's running feet throw up a small cloud of water drops. that shines in the sunlight and follows the hare as it runs. मीन्स जहाँ पे भी खरगोश दौड़ता जाता है तो उसके पीछे पीछे वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स के जो क्लाउड हैं वो बनते जाते हैं. एंड in the last line, wherever she doth run means wherever she does run. So the clouds which are made by hare's feet, they are shining, they are glittering in the presence of the sunlight. Hope you clearly understood the explanation of the poem. If you are getting any problem, you can watch it again. And thanks for watching the video. Give your likes and comments.